Thomas Aquinas, Summa Theologica, Prima Pars, Quaestio 1, Episode 1. The text for this series is taken from the website Corpus Thomisticum. It's the 1888 edition. Prima Pars, Quaestio 1, Proemium. Et ut intentio nostra sub aliquibus certis limitibus comprehendatur, necessarium est primo investigare de ipsa sacra doctrina, qualis sit, et ad quae se extendat. This portion begins with et, and that's because there is some prefatory material which we are not including in this episode. And in order that ut comprehendatur, ut here with the subjunctive is what's called a final clause or a purpose clause. How would we describe that in Latin? We would call it enuntiatum finale, a purpose clause. And so that our purpose, our intention, might be contained, comprehendantur, within certain fixed limits. The preposition sub takes the ablative here, and that's why we have aliquibus certis limitibus as plural ablatives. In order that our purpose might be contained within certain fixed limits, comprehendatur is a third singular, present, subjunctive passive, from the third conjugation verb comprehendo, comprehendere, like that. So in order that that might happen, it is necessary, it's essential, necessarium est, in the first place, it's essential to look into, investigare, to investigate. This is a first conjugation infinitive, to investigate de ipsa sacra doctrina, concerning sacred doctrine or sacred teaching itself. The preposition de plus the ablative only, so we have ipsa sacra doctrina in the feminine singular ablative. Now what are we going to investigate concerning sacred doctrine? Two things, qualis sit, et ad quae se extendat, as to what it is, what kind of a thing it is, qualis sit, and as to the things to which, ad quae, toward what things it applies, se extendat. Now we have here two subjunctives, sit and extendat. Sit is the subjunctive of esse, and extendat is the subjunctive of the third conjugation verb, extendo, extendere, like that. These are subjunctives because this is indirect question, interrogatio, in other words, interrogatio obliqua, indirect question. Investigate or research as to sacred doctrine itself, namely, what kind of thing it is, and toward what objects se extendat. So qualis is feminine singular and nominative because it refers to doctrina. Quae is neuter plural and accusative. That's our interrogative here. It's the object of the preposition ad. The object of extendat is se, which will be feminine, singular, and accusative. Feminine and singular because it also has reference to doctrina. Accusative as the object of extendat.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.